Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. Big news, or just news. I just got an email from Volkswagen regarding the Id.3 and it shows the specs of the real specs of the different versions here in Germany. I'm pretty sure it's different in other countries. Already learned that from the Facebook group I created, that a lot of European countries have different specs in the different lines. But let's check out the email. I know it's in German, but I will go through all the stuff that they wrote, and there's some interesting things in there that we didn't know before. Let's get right to it. So, it is 3 colors of the car, and then hello, be ready for your electrified future with your registration of the Id.3 first. You're one of the first to get this technology on the road in a limited version that will never be available again. Okay, the highlights. We knew this 58 kilowatt hour battery. That's wrong. Björn Nieland would be mad. For 420 kilometers WLTP range, 1 year power, and this is important. A lot of people say that it's not just for Ionity chargers, for over 100,000 charging stations in Europe. That's great. And then the next point, that's new, 2 seconds faster from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, because it has a acceleration upgrade. So this is special in the first edition. The normal Id.3 won't have that, but or maybe you have to pay for it. Who knows? And then fast charging speed, 100 kilowatt on DC and 11 kilowatt AC. We knew that, but it's nice that it's confirmed. Play and pause pedals, you know, the little thingies on the pedal, brake pedal and acceleration pedal, and then special design in the interior and the exterior, and you can see it here. You know, the side thing. In the mirrors, what's in the mirror? Maybe it's this thing here, and then in the steering wheel, and then choose your color. And we knew this, the 4 colors, but it's a nice picture that you see it in the line with the 4 colors. And then it goes through the spec. So Id.3 first, they call it full comfort, very exclusive, blah 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 blah. Starts under 40,000 euros, still no exact number, and then it says no incentives included. So incentives will go away. In Germany that means 2,000 euros from the manufacturer. So when you buy it, you pay 38,000, and then when you get the car, you have to bring the bill and whatever and send it to a government agency, and then you get another 2,000 euros. Okay, but let's go into it. 18-inch alloy wheels, e-Sterry, that's the name. We knew that. Then heated steering wheel in leather, we knew that. Heated front seats, we knew that. DAB, so digital radio and app connect, we knew that. But the next thing, that's great. Navigation system, Discover Pro, inclusive streaming and internet. I didn't know that. So that means streaming, I hope it's music, so something like Spotify. That's great. I would love that. This is where I was. Oh, Id.3 won't get that, and Model 3, the long range, has it. Ooh, that would be great. Then Hello ID, speech control. What, I don't know, a driver assistance system. I don't know what that means, because later in the Max version we know the real driver assistance. Who knows? 4 colors to choose from: platinum gray, glossy black. Oh no, that's the interior. So I don't understand this. It looks like that the inside for the full comfort for the first is platinum gray and glossy black, and that's it. But I'm pretty sure people could choose. Maybe it's something different. Maybe it's not. It's different accents of the car interior. Who knows? And then a charging cable for home. Next, my color here. Ooh, nice. I don't know what you see on these pictures, if there's anything different. Was this always? I don't know. This silver thing, I think this is what they will be mentioning right now. And then Id.3 Plus, the stylish. I'm the stylish. 3 exclusive color combination interior. More personality, LED light, blah 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 blah. It will wink at you when you get in. So it's under 46,000 without incentives. 19-inch, we knew that. Alloy rims and Doya. Woohoo. Then tinted back window and tinted windows on the side and the back. Design seats, art velour include and there's a comfort package. I have no idea what that means. I hope it means electric adjustable seats, but I don't know. Exterior style silver, and this is what I think that means this here. Maybe, I don't know. I hope it's not what you saw at the Frankfurt Motor Show where you could peel off the sticker. No, we'll see. Light packet, that's important. It didn't say it in a different description. I read that normal Id.3, so the first has LED lights, but here in the Plus you get IQ light. That means matrix headlights and ambient lighting and I don't know what this means. Increased exterior lighting, not lightning. Because right after that I thought that means the door handle, but it says it in the next thing. Welcome package, keyless advance, and with illuminated door handles and a rear view camera. And then next we have the Max. Ooh, are those the wheels? Ooh, the wheels are... Maybe you can see already the wheels, but not in the first. Maybe these are the first, second and third. Who knows? I don't know. But let's see, to go to the Max. Maybe these are the Max wheels then. High tech, all in. Premium, high tech features, blah blah blah. Under 50,000. We knew that again. 20-inch alloy wheels. Is this the same as always? Yeah, the same as they all have. Called Sanya. Cockpit infotainment, I don't know what that means. Cockpit infotainment, I'm pretty sure that all have the same infotainment screen and the same instrument cluster. Who knows? Augmented reality head-up display, we knew that. Panoramic roof, premium sound system from Beats. And then this is finally something that I heard, but nobody said it, and now it's here. Driver assist, you have travel assist, whatever that means, but I heard that even normal cars, not electric cars from Volkswagen, have that, and it should be great. No idea what it means and what it does. Then lane assist, side assist, it means to change your lane. Emergency assist. So real self-driving features we didn't know. We didn't think that it would get it. Sorry, stuff in my mouth. Comfort seats with a lumbar support and massage function. And then the weak point that we all knew, but again, this is for Germany. I've already heard in Norway, in northern countries, heat pump is in all the versions, but in Germany, heat pump is only in Max. The next is phone connection called Comfort with wireless charging, and then special interior design, dusty gray, dark, glossy black. Oh mate, this is the Max. Now we have it. So these are the Max wheels, I guess. Can you see a panoramic roof on this? Is the infotainment system any different? I don't think it's any difference when you look at the picture for infotainment system. This is just white, but this is a choice. They all look the same. The seats are they different? I think it's different. I think this is the velour that they were talking about. And here it's just a bit more bright. And here it has the charging in there, but it's the same picture. But exterior wise, they all have that silver thing. That's not it. I don't know. Huh. Who knows? But that's what all they say. But very, very interesting that they finally reveal something. Hopefully it will get more and more. This is I will make a video about this because I'm a bit disappointed how they're treating the pre-bookers. I think we're something special. I talk about it because we in the video because we spend money and we're paying for something, for a car that we will not drive until we get it, and I think that's a lot of commitment, and it would be nice if we would get some special things out of it. Yeah, we'll talk about it in the video. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.